Today, we're going to learn how to draw a Stegosaurus. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Let's take our pencil and start drawing a line in the middle of the page. Add a big arch on top so that you form a semicircle. Then draw a smaller, flatter circle underneath. This will be the body of the Stegosaurus. Now, draw an upwards curve shape coming out of the Stegosaurus's body to form its tail. A Stegosaurus has a small head, so you'll need to draw a smaller curved line on the opposite side of his body to form its neck. Then, add an oval egg shape for its head. We're drawing a baby version of a Stegosaurus, so draw two flared lines that look like a tree trunk at the bottom of its body. Draw another tree trunk shape next to this. Now it's time for the drawing to start coming to life. Begin drawing pentagons. You can think of them as mini houses along the top of his body that are evenly spaced. When arriving at the tail end, draw two V shapes next to each other. These will be his spikes. Ouch! Now we have outlined the Stegosaurus, we can use our thick pen for the final touches of line work. Inside our Stegosaurus's head, draw a small oval shape for his eye and begin to shade half of this shape for his pupil. Next, use your pen to mark around half of the Stegosaurus's head. Finish the marking with a wiggly line to add in his mouth. Starting from his neck, mark your pen all along his back, right to the tip of his tail, bringing that line back to his body. Remember to draw a line from his neck to his body to make them attached. Draw over his tree trunk legs and add in some flat, stumpy feet and his little toes. Now draw in the line under his tummy and add in his rear feet. With your pen, remark your pentagon shapes or mini houses. Use the V's to mark out a love heart shape on his tail. Wait for the pen to dry and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a Stegosaurus.